Have you ever wondered that the nature itself does not have rules or any like sense of morality or ethics, but we human tend to develop such idea to create a balance? Why we need that? Does you really need that? But or it's just like out of our imagination? Today I'm going to uh, give a speech on the topic of nature has no rules. Lions kill a baby zebra or deer in the wild. Does anything happen after that? A lion go to jail, or maybe some sky roars that deer need a justice? I don't think so. Here is one video that shows how the lion is hunting down the baby zebra in front of her mother. You can clearly see that. After that, no punishment fall off the clouds, nothing happens. We, through the like centuries or million years, human tend to survive like such natural chaos, and we came from that. Picture the world before the humans, million years of instinct and development of our sense to have such like rules. Nature might be the main character in this story, but we human develop the rules in it. One of the famous quote from the Friedrich Nietzsche, if you have ever read like a philosophy, he's one of the dark philosopher, and he said, "Nature does not punish evil; it punishes weak." What is it means? He wrote that in the Genealogy of Morality in 1887. Nature is indifferent. It has no rules, it has no concept or anything like that. That leads to one question that sits to the center of human existence. If nature has no justice, why we needed that? Why do we develop such concept in ourselves to in the uh, matter of fact that we have to like needed it? Um, it's not a gift from the nature, because it itself does not have it, so it is not the gift of the nature. It is our like thinking capacity. The question came from watching such wildlife video I showed you earlier, seeing those natural events, moral meanings, no moral sense at all. Later I learned that early philosophers have wondered if the morality is discovered or created. According to the Internet Encyclopedia of Philosophy by Schwartz, many philosopher or thinker debated that, like for them, like hundred of years. Is it cosmos or just us thinking that this morality is a gift? This question matters because answering it reveals something deep about us. We are not only the species looking for the chaos, it says. Not enough. We want fairness. Some scholars say nature is simply random. It never planned justice, or maybe like some ethics. It's just randomness, and we came from those in randomness. Psychology research such as Weir's Moral Mind APA explain that the human develops ethics through the social bonding and cooperation. And Schwartz notes that the physical law existed in nature, but justice and morality are strictly human creation. And there's some reference over here. The Taggart in 2013 November 1, The Origin of Morality and Psychology says that morality is human-made. Nature does not care who lives, who dies. It does not care at all. It does not care like reward kindness. Reward kindness, or it does not like punish cruelty. It just move on. Human look at is the like emptiness that something has to be done in the between. Our justice system, our law, our moral ethics are proof that they create meaning where nature offers none. So, if the nature has no justice, why did the human needed it? Why do we just spend in the wild and just like other animals, Because for the thousands of years, our ancestor live hunting, gathering, like most of the wildlife do these days. The answer is powerful because we have to, because it's survival. Because surviving alone, and after that, the survival alone is not enough. We have to take ourselves. We have to take care of ourselves, and we have to like take care of others. We have like those concepts coming up. At last, nature gave us existence, but it has no rules. Rules we created, that what makes us human. Thank you.